What is the process to initiate a refund request for games played over 2 hours on Steam?
Steam, the popular gaming platform, has a standard refund policy that allows players to request refunds for games within 14 days of purchase if they've played less than 2 hours. However, there might be situations where you need to request a refund for a game played over 2 hours. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of requesting a refund for games played over 2 hours on Steam.
Can I request a refund for games played over 2 hours?
Yes, you can request a refund for games played over 2 hours, but the approval is not guaranteed. Steam will review your request on a case-by-case basis, considering factors like playtime, game issues, and other circumstances that might warrant a refund.
How to submit a refund request for games played over 2 hours.
Follow these steps to submit a refund request for a game played over 2 hours on Steam. Step 1. Log into your Steam account to initiate the refund request. First, log in to your Steam account on the Steam website or the Steam client. Step 2. Navigate to the support section once logged in. Click on Help at the top of the page, and then click on Steam Support to open the support section. Step 3. Find the game you want to request a refund for in the Recent Products section. Find and click on the game you'd like to request a refund for. If you can't find the game in this section, use the search bar to locate it. Step 4. Select the refund issue. After selecting the game, click on the I would like a refund option. Step 5. Fill out the refund request form. You'll be presented with a form to fill out. Since your playtime exceeds 2 hours, choose the It's not what I expected option or any other relevant reason, and provide a detailed explanation in the text box. Make sure to mention any specific issues, problems, or circumstances that justify your refund request. Step 6. Submit the refund request. After filling out the form, click the Submit Request button to send your refund request to Steam.
What happens after submitting the refund request?
After submitting your refund request, Steam will review your case and make a decision. You'll receive an email notification about the outcome of your request, usually within a week. If approved, the refund will be credited to your original payment method or your Steam wallet, depending on your preference. Remember, there is no guarantee that your refund request will be approved for games played over 2 hours, but it's worth trying if you feel that your case is justified. To sum up, you can request a refund for games played over 2 hours on Steam by following the steps we covered in this video. While approval is not guaranteed, Steam will consider your request based on the circumstances and reasons you provide. Good luck, and happy gaming!